Hello students, hope you all are fine at your places. Today we are going to read the poem Wind, composed by Subramanya Bharati, who is a pioneer of modern Tamil poetry. As I've already told you, the poet is trying to tell you that wind only destroys the things which are weak. It does not harm the powerful and strong things. So, let us begin with the poem. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all. You tore the pages of the books. You bought the rain again. Now we'll read the second stanza. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Weakling means weak people. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling wrappers, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. Then it says the wind god winnows and crushes them all. Crumble means break over here, okay? The wind god winnows and crushes them all. Third stanza. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. Let us join the doors firmly. Practice to form the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this, the wind will be friend with us. Fourth paragraph. The wind blows weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. Now I'll explain you the word bank. Winnowing means separating husk and the grain. You must have seen ladies winnowing. Then crush means trampled, tread pressed, destroyed, broke. Rafter means beam or frame of work on the roof. Steadfast means firm and determined. It means the poet is trying to tell us that we should be strong. We should be strong enough that we can overcome any obstacle. Obstacle means difficulties, whatever comes in front of us. Here the poet is trying to tell you the example by the wind, like stanza number 1. It says that the wind breaks the shutter of the windows. It scatters means spread the papers, and throws down the books of the shelf. It also tears the pages of the books and brings the rain. It means that wind is a symbol of a destruction. What is it doing? It is scattering the pages. It is throwing down all the books from the shelf. It is tearing the books of the page of the books, and it also causes heavy flood, which may cause many destruction to our earth. Now, in the second stanza, the poet is trying to tell you the effects of the wind. It means in stanza number 2, he tells you that the wind god winnows all the things available at the home. He says that he even crumbles means break the doors, break the rafters, break the wood, even bodies, even lives, and even heart also. So in stanza number 2, it is trying to tell you that it only harms the weak people. If you have weak doors at your homes, it will crumble, break them. You have weak woods, then it will break down the bodies. If you have a weak body, if you have weak heart, then the wind is going to surely harm you or destruct you. Now, in stanza number 3, very important stanza, it tells you that what are the challenges that wind brings with it. It says that it winnows and crushes everything. It means it discourages the human beings. Now, then it tells you that the poet suggests you that we should build strong houses. We should fix our doors tightly and firmly, and we should be strong enough to face the difficulties in our life. It means we should make our heart, soul, body, mind strong enough to face the difficulties and obstacles. Now, last stanza, very important stanza. This stanza conveys you the message. What message it conveys you? That we should become a friend with the wind. Here also, friendship with the wind. He says that only weak people surrenders the strong things. Those who are themselves strong will never surrender. They will make themselves strong, and they will have so much of potential to face the challenge of any difficulty. So what we can do? We should become friend of difficulties, that we should not ever fear from the difficulties. We should ever ready to face the difficulties in our life. Then, at last, not the least, moral and message of the poem: we should be strong enough so that each and every difficulty, wind means difficulty, should be our friend. If we are going to become the friend of the the strong things, that we are going to be strong enough, we are going to be strong and determined, and we are going to face any difficulty in our life. So, my dear students, this is a very important and interesting poem. Go through the stanzas carefully, read the poem carefully, write the value points of every stanza, and in next PPT I am going to tell you the rhyming scheme and poetic devices along with the reference to the context of the poem. Thank you.